Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Install the tip and pair immediately. Remove the protective cap and twist the tip clockwise until snug. This prevents skips. Once the tip is seated, charge briefly if needed. 5 to 10 minutes gives enough juice for pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is on, then tap the pencil when it appears in settings. You'll see a prompt, accept it. Once paired, open Notes or a drawing app to confirm pressure and tilt response. This proves the hardware and connection are ready. Once paired, calibrate and configure for natural use. Open an app that supports pressure and tilt, draw long strokes, press harder to test line thickness, and tilt to shade. Make adjustments in settings or the app. Set double tap to switch tools or undo, and choose preferred pressure curve if available. Next, test palm rejection by resting your hand naturally. Change orientation if needed. Make sure the tip responds consistently across edges of the screen. This reduces skips and keeps handwriting fluid. Use your pencil smoothly. Hold like a pen, use tilt for shading, press firmly for dark strokes. Once done, magnetically stash it on the iPad edge or in its case to charge and prevent loss. Maintain by swapping the tip when it wears. Keep a spare in your kit. If it becomes unresponsive, first charge it, then repair in Bluetooth settings. If problems persist, restart the iPad and toggle Bluetooth. As a last resort, remove the device and pair again. This usually clears stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.